guys, welcome to Smoke Sessions. I'm Anita Sue. This is my big bro Howard Sue, and we're here with Kingsford Charcoal, Masterbuilt, and the Home Depot to show you some grilling techniques to help you master your flavor at home.
So today we're doing one of my favorite techniques, smoking. And today we're gonna smoke our Sweet Auburn Chili Wings.
Anita, why don't you help me with the brine?
So now we're just gonna stir until the sugar and the salt is all dissolved nicely together.
Now that we've got our wings in our brine, we're gonna take this to the fridge and let them brine overnight.
Now that we brined our wings overnight, we're ready to take them to the Masterbuilt.
All right, I'm gonna gather all my ingredients, take them over to the Masterbuilt, and start making that sauce.
And just stir until it comes to a nice quick boil. And then as it's boiling, she can slowly add a little teaspoon at a time of the slurry. So now let's transfer them down to the searing grates. So now we're just kind of trying to get some nice color on the wings. They've been smoking for a few hours. Let them sear for about a minute or two. And Anita, why don't you help me get the sauce bowl ready?
All right, so we're gonna toss our wings now. Man, these look awesome. Are we ready to eat?
Yeah, let me plate these guys up. Thanks, Anita.
Really smoky from the Kingsford Charcoal. That was really good.
Yeah, what I liked about the Masterbuilt was I was able to smoke at 225 and then very, very quickly be able to bring it up to a nice searing temperature of 600 and just reverse searing the wings. All right, guys, be sure to head over to your local Home Depot, pick up your Masterbuilt Gravity Series, some Kingsford Charcoal, and we'll see you next week.